Are you ready? Are you ready?
Are you ready to rumble?
That's not what I mean though. That's not what I mean. The reason why I was saying are you ready is because, as you guys should see in this title right now, it's time to know the winner of the giveaway, okay? I'm not gonna make this video long. I'm not gonna try to string it out. None of that, alright? It's time to, just for me to tell you guys, you know, the winner. And I've been gone for like a whole week, just about, okay? So I was like, what better than to tell them the winner of the giveaway, okay? Grab some attention for you guys. Cause y'all probably like, man, where this man been at? Like, he ain't uploading a week. Like, he's slacking. I'm not slacking, alright? Basketball just ended, actually last night. Tough loss, you know, 7 seniors, you know, it's tough. It's tough, but I mean, hey, it's time to get on the grind. It's time to get on the grind. All right, that means I should have nothing but free time now. Right after school, I mean, it's time to make videos because we know dang well I ain't going to football workouts. You guys should know I don't like football like that. You know, my sport is basketball. I like playing basketball now. You know, come on now. Everybody know I like playing basketball. You know, that's everybody that entered. We have 368, you know, total entries. All right, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go to the winners. We're gonna draw this winner real quick. We're gonna draw one winner. And look, if you're not in the USA, you did not win. I'm sorry. That's how it is. I told you guys in the beginning. I said, look, and it's not international. Keeping it, you know, keeping it in the US. So, hope y'all don't get mad at me for that, but. Especially if you won and you... Alright. Yep. Orlando, Florida. The winner is... Billy... I'm not even going to try to say your name, bruh. I'm not even going to try to say it. You know, you can see yourself here, okay? So if you won the giveaway now, if you won the giveaway, you come on. If this is you right here, you won the giveaway. So you know what? I'm going to give you a whole week to contact me through IG, all that, to make sure you know that everything's good. You guys already, man, you already know my Instagram name. My Instagram name is 360_Woods. So you know what? Hey, you won the giveaway. Hit me up, DM me on IG, say I won the giveaway. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't say nothing else. Look, DMs is full right now. I need to do another roasting my subscribers ways video. Just say, just all caps, whatever you want to do. Just say, hey, I won the giveaway or something like that. All right. Congratulations, man. If you guys did not win, though, you know, hey, it's cool. Keep supporting. Keep supporting. You guys know I've done like, what, 3 or 4 giveaways already, and we only hit, well, now we're at 11K, trying to hit 12K. We're only halfway from hitting 12K. So come on. Come on. Hit that subscribe button. What y'all waiting on? Because y'all know. Look, y'all might never know. Never know. I might be, like, surprised. Like, you know what I'm saying? Giveaway time. Let's go. You know, but... like I said, keep supporting like how you guys have. I love giving stuff away for you guys because you guys, you know, can't be on YouTube without you guys. All right, you guys are the supporters. You guys are the reasons why I'm here, and this is why I do this. I do this for you guys. I don't do it for myself. I do it for you guys. But hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Even though this video was short, I'm gonna try to keep it down to 5 minutes or so. But you guys already know, go ahead and like the video because you gotta like the video. You guys like when I give stuff away. So when you guys like this video, you guys already know. I know you guys, you know, like the giveaways. So, and don't forget to comment. You guys already know I'll read you guys' comments, whatever you guys got to say down below. And don't forget to subscribe because why wouldn't you want to subscribe and hit that bell notification bell because you guys already know we dropping fire videos. I'm gonna be dropping a fire one tomorrow saying how much should you be brushing. I know a lot of you guys been waiting on that video, so go ahead and subscribe because I'm putting out videos that you guys want to see, and I'm gonna be coming out with another update. Week 3 update on getting my progress back from me scalping. So we got a lot of different content coming up, content that you guys are gonna want to see. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, but hey, don't forget, stay wavy, and it's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah.